How to understand the storyline and main objectives. Why did the world fall? This guide explains how to understand the storyline and main objectives in Darkest Days. The story is driven by the main campaign. These quests are marked with a gold icon on your map. Following these will reveal the origin of the buyers and unlock new areas of the map that are otherwise restricted. Your primary objective is the restoration of the settlement. Most story missions revolve around gathering tech or survivors to upgrade your base. The stronger your base, the more story you unlock. To get the full story, look for the collectibles. Scattered notes and audio logs provide the backstories of the NPCs and the tragedy of the event. Check your intel menu and read everything that you found. Now you know the mission. Find the truth. Like and subscribe for more lore and gameplay tips.